In a country of over 80 million, 1 of every 3 Filipinos live below the poverty threshold of 35 pesos per day. For these 4 million Filipino families, it is a seemingly hopeless hand-to-mouth existence.
Kasi si tatay, siyempre, una tumutulong lang ako. Siyempre, yung tatay ko yung nagtatrabaho.
So he said, wala ka naman makukuha, bakit ka magre-resign? At kung mag-resign ka man, saan kita pupulutin? Wala kang hanap buhay.
Kasi nga, yung pong mga anak ko, pag may gusto silang bilhin, hindi ko maibigay. Kasi sabi ko nga sa kanila, wala tayong pera.
The plights of Mila, Belen, and Madge are shared by millions of women across the country. Women and families where basic needs for food, shelter, clothing, and education are unmet, where the inability to work and earn for one day means not having food that day. Women who have to give up studying in order to work to augment the family income.
So ako yung panganay, tumulong agad. Katulong, kung ano nung pinasok kong trabaho ba. Ako yung naglalabas sa amin, ako yung nagsasaing, ako lahat yung nag-iigib.
Pag minsan ay walang panggastos namin sa bahay, pang gamit ang mga anak ko sa pag-aaral, bayad din sa ilaw.
Yung dinala ko siya sa doktor, sabi ng doktor, nakagat ka ba ng aso, tay? Sabi. Sinabi niya, oo daw. Eh, yun, pinadala siya agad sa, sa San Lazaro. Pagdating sa San Lazaro, tinali na siya. Tapos, sabi, wala na siyang pag-asang mabuhay.
Belen, Mila, and Madge are only 3 of millions of Filipinas who have had to deal with adversity in their lives. Yet they found it in their hearts to hope and dream. Hope and dream for a chance to give their family a real future.
My husband always plans to have a business because kulang ang kapital namin. We cannot set up a profitable business. Until one time, our pastor introduced us to TSPI in 1981.
Bali yung nahiram ko sa TSPI, binili ko lahat ng paninda. Hanggang lumaki naman tong tindahan. So hanggang ngayon, awa ng Diyos naman, nakaka-survive kami.
Ako po nagpapasalamat kasi napakarami ng mga nanay na gustong sumali. Ilan lang po kaming napili na pwedeng sumali sa TSPI. Kasi nga po talagang nakita naman po nila na may kaunti akong negosyo.
TSPI represents a concrete chance at creating a life with dignity, sufficiency, and responsibility for themselves and their families. TSPI and its developmental programs bridges the gap between abject poverty and tangible progress. With courage, faith, and hope, TSPI can give the marginalized Filipino the opportunity and means to realize the fullness of life. Sometimes a loan of just 5,000 pesos or $100 can make all the difference in the world.
Hindi na ako masyadong nahirapan kasi hindi po katulad nung una na may trabaho, wala ngayon po dire-diretso. Ako po ay solong namamahala, tapos ang tauhan ko po ay ang regular 4. 3 yung manggagawa ko, tapos meron po akong isang pinakang helper, katulong po nila sa pagpipintura, paglilinis ng kalan, at kasama ko rin po sa pagdi-deliver.
Maliit lang siya na sari-sari store. Maganda naman ang takbo ng ng negosyo ko noon. Hindi ako nagtutubo ng malaki, basta sa isang items meron akong 30 pesos. Basta ma-out agad, maibili mo agad ng paninda, yun yung katwiran ko.
Following decades of service, TSPI continues to put together programs to help build, finance, and grow the enterprises of its clients.
What's that number again, Steve? 168.
With over 60 branches across Luzon, TSPI has reached out and touched the lives of more than 1 million Filipinos since it began its operations in 1981.
We're a social development institution before we are a microfinance lending institution. Our plans, programs, products, and services are all aimed to eradicate poverty. Profit is not our primary motivation. However, it is important for us to generate surplus to sustain our mission. Our board of trustees are all volunteers. They do not receive any salary or any form of financial compensation. The spirit of volunteerism is very essential to us for the preservation of our lifetime mission.
We cannot lose sight of the other face of our mission, the alleviation of spiritual poverty. These are the signs of the spiritual transformation of the individuals and communities we assist through our programs.
Kung ano yung mga nakikita ko sa kanila na pagtingin nila sa kliyente nila, yun yung sinishare ko sa iba. Ini-encourage ko pa rin yung mga nanay na pagpatuloy yung pagsali sa TSPI. Sa TSPI, wala siyang collateral. Kailangan lang yung tiwala, yung disiplina ng isang kliyente.
Diyan ko po natutunan na pag sinabi ng ganong oras, katulad po kasi nung una tayo nagsiseminar, pag sinabi po ng alauna, kailangan alauna andun ka na.
Kahit na maliit pala, pwede kang mag-start if somebody will help you. Kaya ngayon, pag merong nangangailangan, tinuturuan ko sila. Marami na akong naturuan. In fact, one of my cooks is now a caterer. I don't want them to stay forever as dishwasher. I want them to improve. Masaya ako naging caterer siya.
We recognize that our mission is not only to raise incomes, but to encourage people to dream and equip them to pursue these dreams. We provide the bridge that links people and communities to opportunities for progress and transformation. We enable them to work together and help, encourage, and support each other. TSPI, reaching out and changing lives.
Bridging to progress, TSPI.